And to make this recipe, you don't need an exact amount of cabbage. Okay, this one was left over in my fridge, so I decided to make this pickle and show you how it's done. Here, let's cut the cabbage like this. The thinner, the better. If you have that mandolin slicer, right? You can use the mandolin slicer to cut it really thin. Cut the rest. Put everything inside this bowl, and here is a carrot, and I'll use this grater. You can slice it thinly too, but I prefer to use this grater here to make it really fine. Just grate everything. You can use whatever grater you have. And the amount is up to your taste. The only thing I recommend is to use less carrot than cabbage, okay? But that's also up to your taste. You can use more carrot than cabbage too, no problem at all. Here, just mix it together here. For this amount, I'll add about a teaspoon of salt, okay? About that much. And now mix it. And you can press it down, press it well. And let's leave it like this, resting for about an hour. All right, and here, after an hour, you can see that it released a lot of water, and I'm not going to wash it, because I know that the 1 teaspoon of salt I added won't make my salad salty. If you think it turned out salty, just wash it and season it again with salt, okay? I'll leave it like this here. Green onion, I'll cut it to about the length of 2 fingers. The amount is up to your taste too. You can add as much as you want. And let's mix it, put everything together. Use about 3 garlic cloves, crushed or chopped, either works. A heaping teaspoon of gochujang, which is Korean chili paste, and a teaspoon of sugar. And here, well drained, is pickled ginger, right? Which is also to taste. I usually add a lot because I really like it. You can add as much as you want. If you don't know how to make it, I have a video explaining how to make this pickled ginger, or you can buy it at Asian stores. Now just mix it well. Here, after everything is well mixed, you can taste it, right? And adjust it. The salt and pepper too. If you think you want it spicier, just add more pepper or gochujang. You can serve it now, but it's best to leave it in the fridge overnight, so it can marinate well, right? For the seasoning, you just need to cover it properly and leave it in the fridge overnight. A salad you can eat every day, serve as an appetizer with a beer, on festive days, and even at a barbecue.